Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the signature specification. So this car has 16-inch alloy wheels, the 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and it's got cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 7,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.